starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we got our first order. This is gonna be Voodoo Donut going 8 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total ended up being $12 and change for that one. Just got the next order. This one's going to be Taco Bell going 3.5 miles. Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $11. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, I don't know why I'm taking this, but I am. Got a Chick-fil-A going 12 miles, and it's going across state border. Like, am I just dumb?
Why not?
Thank you. Total was $13 for that order. Definitely not worth it, and now I gotta spend another 20 minutes getting back home. Well, that took forever, but we finally made it back to my zone, and we got our next order. This is Burgerville going 2.5 miles. They just gave me an add-on order. This is going an extra 2 miles.
It's just these guys for you, and there's a straw in the back.
Total for those two ended up being just under $11. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell going 5.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
You too.
Randy, you reached the person you wanted to reach. They couldn't come to the phone right now. Oh, sorry, that's my chime. If you want to leave a message, you can. If you don't want to leave a message, then why did you call in the first place? You can text them probably, saying as how this is a phone with a custom message. Have a day. Bye. Perfect. Oh, and you can send instructions of speed. Wait, hold on. You can leave it at the speed that sounds like a C#. If any other notes, run.
I mean, I don't know what else you want from me, really. Tried buzzing in twice, didn't get buzzed in. Tried calling them, couldn't reach them. Tried texting them, no response. Tried contacting DoorDash, and they just told me to leave it somewhere safe. Looks safe to me. And that's kind of a shame because they actually tipped. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Next order up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one's going 3.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Excuse me. Is this for you?
Sorry.
Oh, not bad. Total ended up being $9 for that one. Just got the next order. This one's Burgerville going 3 miles. This one, I'm pretty positive it's not gonna have a tip on it. The drop off is like around the corner from the restaurant. So yeah, most of the mileage is getting to the restaurant itself. So I just passed the Taco Bell that I left at the door a little bit ago, and well, it wasn't there, so somebody got to enjoy it.
These guys, just drink as well.
Thank you. Yeah, honestly, I could just walk to the drop off, but I'm lazy, so we're not doing that. Oh, there was a tip on that. Total ended up being just under $6. Next order up, we've got Joe Brown's Cafe going 7.5 miles. Oh, okay. They're giving me an add-on going an extra 2 miles.
got a cup of coffee? Are you ready?
No, thank you though. Thank you. You too. That is so cute. I need to come here later on. This next one is a hand to customer apparently, and it's saying, I will tip in person, thank you. Do we believe that? Not so much. Thank you so much. You too, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jeez. Okay. That order was really good. Total ended up being $22 after the cash tip. Thank you. Sorry for doubting you. And we got the next order right away. This one is IHOP going 9 miles.
795 East Vancouver Plaza Drive. This is what happens when you're traveling.
Thank you. Ooh, really? Oh, wow. No tip, by the way. Total ended up being $8. Next order just came in. This is Tropical Smoothie Cafe going 7 miles. This one's probably another bad order, but at least it's taking me back to where I want to be. Hello. How big are the flatbreads?
They're about that.
Oh, is it like that?
Flatbread.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Well, I was right. Total ended up being $8 for that one. Just got the next order. This is Victor Rico's going 8 miles. So I just pulled up and it looks like they're giving me an add-on for Arby's going 1 extra mile. So yeah, sure, why not? We got Victor Rico's here and Arby's is right across the street right there. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I don't know who's keeping Arby's in business because I've never met a single person in my life that has ever suggested an Arby's trip. Maybe that's just me.
You both my hands.
There you are.
Thank
Yep.
you.
You have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Total for those two ended up being $17 and change. Not bad at all. I think I'm gonna be calling it here unless I get an order on the way home. Current time is 11:36. Total we are at 131. Almost forgot about the cash tip. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.